How to unsend an iMessage on iOS 17. Now, to be able to do that is first is you have to go here to your settings area and then go to your general here. First and foremost is you have to, of course, to update your software because it's actually a new feature where you can unsend an iMessage. So you have to make sure that you are now in the current version of iPhone. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to go here to your iMessage here. Let's just click on this. I'm sorry for that. Click on this and then choose a recipient or a chat that you want to unsend. So let's say you're trying to chat this one and you want to unsend that. So all you have to do is to click on that chat and then here you will see undo send. So tap on undo send and as you can see you have unsent a message. So what's gonna happen there is they will only see that you have actually unsent the message, but they will not be able to read the message or the specific message. And you only have 15 minutes to actually unsend your message, and after that you won't be able to unsend it after the 15 minutes. And basically that is how you unsend an iMessage, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support.